Okay, so welcome back. So today we are going to look at definite integrals involving exponentials. So now that's the only difference. So now we're going to use what we know to solve this. So again, we need to figure out what our u and du are going to be to do our substitution. And so again, I'm going to use 1 minus x is u. So that's 1 minus x du will equal what? Negative dx. So in other words, we'll just multiply by negative 1 on both sides. And now we're going to say dx is equal to negative du. And so now if we do our substitution now, we're going to get what? Negative e to the u du. Now the only thing we have to do is we have to change our limits of integration. So that means when x is 1, u is 0. And when x is 2, u is negative 1. So instead of going from 1 to 2, now we're going to go from 0 to negative 1. Okay? Okay, so let's do it. So integrate. Okay, so the integral of e to the u is e to the u. Right, the antiderivative. So now we're just going to get e to the u. Oops. So we're going to get e to the u evaluated from 0 to negative 1. And so, of course, what do we get? We get negative e to the negative 1 minus e to the 0. Which gives us what? Well, this is just going to be 1, right? And this is e to the negative 1. So again, what we're going to do is if we distribute the negative, we'll get e to the 0 minus e to the negative 1, which is just going to give us 1 minus 1 over e. And that's our answer. Okay. Again, I would just leave it as an exact answer. I would not put in your calculator because, again, we're not going to use calculators. And so this would be the final answer. 1 minus 1 over e. Okay, that's it. So let's try this one. Here's another one. I think I have another one. Here we go. So here's another one for you to try. Okay, so that's it. Have a great day.